Hello guys, how are you? This is a new video in Cyber with Khalifa. Today we're gonna talk about Splunk, about OpenCTI, about threat intelligence, how we're gonna integrate OpenCTI in Splunk, so we can use this database in internet virus total, abused IPD, miter attack, all of those things in our database in Splunk. And in another video I'm gonna show you how to cross these logs with your database log or your endpoint logs, so finally you can create alert. But this is gonna be in coming video when we talk about automation and N8N and all of those things. It's really important to talk. So first of all, why I did this video, because for doing this, it's for me it's take like 3 days to do this, because I didn't find anything in internet talking about OpenCTI and Splunk. So I searched a lot to have this these things that I'm gonna show you in a few minutes or a few seconds. But I see a lot of problems. So in another video I'm gonna show you how to install OpenCTI, because it's really complicated. When I see in the website, in their website, I don't know, it seems easy, but it took me 2 days to integrate Splunk in OpenCTI. It took me literally 3 days, guys. So enough talking. I'm gonna show you. You already see my my screen, so I'm gonna just verify if okay, you see my screen. So the first thing we're gonna do is install OpenCTI. So OpenCTI, it's threat intelligence. It's a threat intelligence feeds. It's like searching and having a lot of logs from internet, from virus total, from miter attack, etc. to and when he gather this data, he gonna stock it here, and we're gonna send it to our Splunk. Why? Because we're gonna see what's the new hashes in the field, what's the new techniques of the attack, what's the new APT, etc, etc. We're gonna see this. It's really simple to explain. It seems complicated, but no, it's simple. So first of all, you install your OpenCTI. It's like this. You're gonna, never mind, I'm show you everything, but I'm gonna delete all of this after. But for your thing, you're gonna go here. I have all of this in a Docker container. It's really simple. I have a Docker compose YAML file and .env environment to stock my credentials. So what I'm gonna do next, okay, after opening the ports, doing all of those things before, I'm gonna show you one day if you want, but I'm gonna start directory. And when you install OpenCTI, you're gonna go directly to your profile and get your token. Okay, you're gonna get your token. I create a new one, suppose this one. Okay, you're gonna create your token. You can generate a new one. You're gonna like choose the time, etc. And after, what you're gonna do, for me it's in French, so but here you're gonna find data and sharing data, and you're gonna create a new feed. Okay, when you create your new feed, you're gonna have this ID stream. Okay, we can modify it, but for me I choose admin. But like I said, you don't have to do this. This is all of those things we do in lab. Okay, but you can like choose a filter. If like you want score of 70%, not all the logs, you can do a lot of things if you want, guys. I'm gonna do a lot of video about this, but bear with me. You're gonna create your Splunk. You're gonna have a stream. Okay, stream feed. Obviously you have to open all the ports that's to send all of this. But what you're gonna do, you're gonna directly go to data input here in Splunk. Hopefully it's in English. you're gonna do to HTTP event collector, okay, and you're gonna create a new token, okay. You're gonna put your token here so he can connect with OpenCTI. You're gonna also create an index. Second of things, you're gonna create an index. You're gonna go here, create your index. It's really the easiest things in the world, guys. Okay, be sure that's active, maximum size, etc. And after this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna literally go to we're gonna install the application. Okay, you have an application, you're gonna go find more apps here and go to OpenCTI, and you're gonna install this one. Okay, you're gonna install OpenCTI Enterprise for Splunk Enterprise and go to Open App. Okay, first of all, you're gonna put your API key here and your URL here. Okay, when you put your URL here, be sure that you don't put the slash anything, okay, because I had this problem. And after, you're gonna go save. He's gonna say to you it's active. Okay, after you go to the input, okay, when you go to the input, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your stream ID that we have here. Okay, you're gonna be sure your active status here, and you're gonna choose 7 days from me because it's a lab. You know, you can choose 30, etc., but it's a lab. Okay, put your mind, it's a lab. I'm gonna delete all of this after, but for you, you have be specific. Okay, so after this, you're gonna see if your Splunk here. Also, you have to start this one, this Splunk feed, and when it's good, you're gonna see this of this statics. Okay, and he gonna say 3 May, etc. All of those things that's important, that saying your things is good. Okay, be sure open ports, your URL, your token, etc. And when you go to input, here we put everything, and what we're gonna have in the final, I'm gonna show you my, I'm gonna have one of this. I'm gonna put the Meduim in the description. So it's really like this. Your OpenCTI is gonna connect to the internet and saying give me new data. Okay, after this, he's gonna send all of those data to your Splunk. You can choose what data you want. Okay, here we send literally all the data, but if you want just threat actors or malware families or TTP or iOS indicator of compromise, TTP is technique, tactics, and procedure, you can choose what you want. You can choose like the score, etc. After this, you can from your desktop, go directly to your dashboard and see the logs. And this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna go here to our Splunk Enterprise. We're gonna do search and reporting, and I'm gonna show you this one. Yes, yeah, I'm gonna show you what we have here. And you see we have all of those malwares, attack pattern, intrusion sets, course of action, tools, vocabulary, etc. You can, like example, see tools, see few event, and you see all the tools. Okay, all the tools, PSExec, you have an ID here, name, you have Empire, Mimikatz. You know, if you're using Active Directory, you can choose like Mimikat and see what Mimikat do. Okay, and this why it's important, because after this we're gonna cross logs with our logs, other index, and create a dashboard, and also create other things it's important to have. Okay, so for today it's enough. I decided to do little videos, from 9 to 10 minutes, 50 minutes max, so I can after do a lot of video for you guys, and you can do step by step. Okay, the next video I'm gonna show you how to install OpenCTI, how to install Splunk. I know it's not in the right order, but for me, I did this today. I was really happy, so I decided to publish it. So like I said, the next video I'm gonna show you how to install Splunk, OpenCTI. After, I'm gonna show you how to cross logs, create dashboard with Splunk, and after this, create alert, putting in 8n, and all of those things. I hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, guys, and if you have any question, you can find my LinkedIn, you can find the blog, you're gonna find my email. So contact me if you have a problem, and see you next time. Bye.